Here I have KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the system section, language and input, languages, add a language. Here you can see the whole list of languages in which you can set your device. Let's select, for example, Ukrainian. And what you have to do next is to drag Ukrainian language on top, on the first place, and the language will be changed to Ukrainian automatically. If you want to change it back to English, just go to the settings, then to the system, мова та ведення, мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.